The Marcos administration's push to rid government offices of red tape just got a much-needed boost with the signing of a memorandum of agreement between ARTA and 8888 Citizens Complaint Center. The MOA is also in accordance with a directive from the President for all government agencies to help each other to provide more efficient service to the public. Naomi Tiburcio has the details.
Complaints against alleged corrupt officials and government workers will be monitored more strictly because of the strengthened relationship between the 8888 Citizens Complaint Center and Anti-Red Tape Authority. Based on the signed Memorandum of Agreement pursuant to the order of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., all agencies need to work together to speed up and improve government service to the people. Under the agreement, complaint individuals in 8888 have 3 days to answer. Failure to respond will be investigated and possibly charged by the ARTA.
Nakatanggap sila ng reklamo at after due evaluation, ibabato po nila ito, ipapasa nila sa Anti-Red Tape Authority after due evaluation at hindi po ito sinagot ng ahensya. After due hearing, after due process, ang ARTA po ay magsasampa ng demanda laban sa opisyal o empleyado na hindi sinagot yung reklamo.
Beginning 2019, ARTA has received over 4,000 complaints against government officials and personnel. 92.3% or 3,800 of these cases have been resolved. ARTA confirmed that they also have no backlogs of cases. Administrative and criminal case will be submitted to the Office of the Ombudsman, while purely administrative cases will be submitted to the Civil Service Commission. Currently, there are pending cases against fixers, governors, mayors, and others. Meanwhile, for the past 2 weeks, ARTA led inspections on LGUs in Metro Manila. ARTA discovered that only 5 LGUs in NCR are implementing the Electronic Business One-Stop Shop for a quicker end-to-end business processing. This resulted to the opening of more businesses and a higher revenue for the LGUs.
Ito pong 5 ito, compliant po sila sa requirement na Electronic Business One-Stop Shop. At dahil po doon sila compliant, isa po ang common denominator. Napalakas po, naparami ang business registration, tumaas po ang kanilang revenue collection.
ARTA is set to visit other provinces to inspect the implementation of the Business Processing One-Stop Shop.
Pag sila po na-comply, can you imagine if this will be replicated nationwide? Guaranteed po ito, tataas ang kanilang koleksyon, gaganda ang ekonomiya, sangayon din po sa palaging in-emphasize ng ating presidente, no, na palakasin ang MSMEs.
Naomi Tiburcio for the Nation.